back down on Slab Creek. There's some people up there. Some people up there. We'll just dug this, so we've just done this bit down here into our sluice. Jay's just digging the hole out. So just going to do a big hole in here. And then yeah, we've got a sluice set up over there. See how we go. A few people here this time, so yeah. Alright, that's thing. Alright, we're digging away. We've got the hole down to a reasonable depth. Just up to my knees are just there, so that hole and grade's about, I don't know, is right on the knees. So we're going alright. So it's going to be a reasonable sized hole in there. Yeah, build a few wing walls. We've got a wing wall down there and one down there. Slide it into our sluice, and we're starting to get a few bits coming through. Woo-wee, that water's cold. Get a bit of a pile of overburden, so it's good. So yeah, so hopefully we'll have a good day. Well, next thing I got a little flake out of there. I gave it to Jade's boy, Brax, so he swooped on that pretty quick. But yeah, so, we'll see how we go. Alright, back soon. Just go set up and got these. Nice little bits. So if we get a few more of his little mates, we'll be good. So hopefully we're in the right area. We're up to about our, I don't know, not quite our waist yet. So there's Jade just in the hole. So yeah, not too far away. We're just working around the hole. Jade's just going down, and my side seems to be, this side here seems to be got more gold in it. So we're just digging down. Down, Jade. We're probably going to call it a day soon. We've got some nice stuff turning up in there. Too bad. Let's see what happens when we do a clean up. Alright, back soon. Alright, all done for the day. Let's dig our big hole. Quite a large hole, goes down about 1.2 metres ish. So yeah, we've dug quite a lot out, made a bit of a thing round and we get to our bridge. So yeah, pretty full. Lots of good. So we'll see what we pull out of the box, letting that clear and see what we get. Back in a minute. That's our big hole. It's all done. Sluice is gone. Water will feed out, and this is what we got. So a little bit
not as much as we thought we're going to get, but hey, such is life. Alrighty, catch you on the next one. Happy days.
Moving it down. This is from Slab Up Creek. Not much there. That's ready to go. Let's see how much it is. Not much. 0.2. Come on, focus up. Not going to do it. Anyway. Still a bit of gold. No, oh, there it goes, finally. No,